Imagine a manufacturing plant with lots of various assets, equipment, and staff. How can you manage all of it? Navigine Asset Tracking is a web platform with location tracking, real-time alerting, advanced reporting that enables transparent tracking of valuable assets in manufacturing plants, healthcare, warehouse facilities, and other business verticals. Navigine Tracking Platform helps businesses to interpret the location data to optimize expenses and improve operational efficiency. Monitor movement of your assets in real time. Check what is happening in specific zones with specific objects, one by one, or by combining them into groups. Keep track of all vital events happening within your facility, thanks to advanced alerting powered by Navigine solution. Visualize how objects are moving through a selected period of time by clicking Track History. Switch to reports for a relevant insight about time spent in a specific area or distance traveled by an asset. Navigine reports provide a transparent vision of operations throughout the working day. Monitor assets even outside the facility, since Navigine supports seamless transition from indoor to outdoor. Lead your business to new heights with Navigine.